Hey guys, it's Jacob from MIATA is Red, and this is my first video on the YouTube channel! Woo! If you guys don't know, I am a content creator on TikTok with 33,000 followers. But this is the 1990 MX-5 MIATA. It's my project car, and I'm hoping to build this into something that you guys love and that I love to drive. The goal for the build is pretty much autocross, kind of racing, maybe drifting now and then, but you know, overall just to have so much fun in it. Right now, it's in a kind of a rough state. It's been sitting, it has so much pollen on it, and I can't even like recognize it. So I have to do some work to it today. I want to get my wheel bearings replaced and a couple other things worked on. So once I do that, then I'm gonna be, you know, it's gonna be looking pretty. Let's do it. Woo! This is everything that we're going to be doing today. We have our good old Napa gold fuel filter. It's all Napa parts. One wheel bearing right here, other wheel bearing right here. And these are the whole shebang that you'll need for it. Need for the replacement upgrade. Here's the bearings for the back. I don't know if I'll get to these today, but we have them. Oh, these were the main concern that they had. So, and then the fuel filter, another not huge concern, but this does need to be replaced. So let's start. So now we are here. What we have is the brake rotor, caliper, pads, and the wheel bearing is actually this piece right in here. To get to that, we have to take off the caliper, and that has size 13. It's a 13 millimeter. I already have it here. So there's two 13 millimeter screws right on the back here, which pretty much makes it so you can slide off the caliper. And then after you slide off the caliper, you get the brake rotor out. This is old, so I'm gonna have to replace this sooner or later. But right now, I don't have time for that or the money. What you gotta do, if it sees, just hit these spots right here, and then it'll reveal the bearing. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now we have the screws out, so let's go ahead and start taking things apart. So we have taken off the wheel bearing from here. Looks okay. I mean, it's all nasty and stuff, but we have a new one, so let me go grab it. This is gonna go on like this. What? No?
There goes this move. There. That's how it should be.
Nice. Already. So guys, we just replaced both front wheel bearings in the 1990 MIATA, and I think the process was super easy. It didn't really require too many hard things. Really, if you just have the tools, it goes by super quickly. So I think we should go ahead and get this on the road. It is super duper nasty, so we'll probably get it on the road and then give it a nice wash, give it a little quick wax, and then, you know, clean up anything else on this car to get ready for, you know, get it back up and running. So